Today, I'm incredibly excited to show you something that's going to completely change the game for content creators, filmmakers, and anyone working with AI generated videos. You know how we have been generating AI videos for months now, but they always come out silent. And then we have to spend hours finding the right sound effects, adding voiceovers, syncing everything perfectly in post production. Well, that era is over. Today I'm going to show you Kling 2.6 audio. And trust me, this is not just another AI video tool. This is a complete game changer. We're talking about AI generated videos that come with built-in audio, synchronized sound effects, ambient sounds, and even voiceovers, all generated automatically. And the best part, I'm accessing all of this through Higgsfield, which by the way is offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generations. We will talk more about that later. So let's dive in. Alright, so first things first, let me show you how to access this incredible feature. So this is the Kling 2.6 audio page on Higgsfield. I'm going to put the direct link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Now at this page, you can already see there is a video here with sound included. Let me play this for you so you can hear how premium and realistic this audio sounds. Did you hear that? That's not stock audio someone added later. That was generated along with the video. The sound quality, the synchronization, the ambient atmosphere, everything is created by AI in one single generation. So this is the kind of video you can create using Kling 2.6 audio. And the audio you are hearing is completely original and perfectly synced with the visuals. This is honestly such an advanced feature, and I'm going to show you exactly how to generate these videos with audio. Now if you scroll down a bit on this page, you will see it says from text to immersive video in seconds. Let me explain the process really quickly. In step 1, you can upload an image if you have one. But here's the thing, you don't necessarily need an image. You can generate videos from just text prompts as well, okay? Then in step 2, you need to write your prompt describing what you want to see and hear in your video. And that's it. You can generate a complete video with synchronized audio. It's that simple. So let's actually try this out and see how it works. Alright, so let's click on try native audio now right here. Once you click on that, you will be taken to the generation interface. Alternatively, you can also click directly on this video to get here, okay? Either way works perfectly fine. Now this is where all the magic happens. So pay close attention because I'm going to walk you through every single step. First, I'm going to enter a prompt here. Let me type something really interesting so we can see how well this works. Now this is super important. You see this audio toggle right here? You need to make sure this is enabled. If you turn this audio toggle on, your video will be generated with synchronized audio. But if you keep it off, your video will be generated silently without any audio. So always remember to turn this on if you want audio in your videos. I'm going to enable it right now. Next, you can see that the model is already set to Kling 2.6, which is exactly what we want. Below that, you can select your video duration. You have two options here, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. For this demo, I will go with 10 seconds to show you a longer result. And then you need to choose your aspect ratio. You can select 16:9 for landscape videos, 9:16 for vertical videos, or 1:1 for square videos. Once you have set everything up, just click on generate and we are going to go. So while this first video is generating, let me create a few more videos so I can show you multiple results all at once. This way you get a better understanding of how consistent and impressive the quality is. Let me enter my second prompt here. This time I am going with something completely different. All the settings will remain the same. Audio toggle is on, duration is 10 seconds, aspect ratio is 16:9, and I will just click generate. Okay, now for the third prompt, I want to test the lip sync feature because that's one of the most impressive parts of Kling 2.6 audio. So I'm writing this script. Medium close-up of a confident young woman in her 30s with long dark hair, wearing professional business attire, speaking directly to camera in modern office with glass windows, natural daylight. She delivers an inspiring speech about innovation, perfect lip sync with clear articulate voice, subtle hand gestures, professional tone, contemporary corporate setting. I have been very specific in my prompt about what I want to see and hear. And again, I will just hit generate. Alright, so our first video has finished generating. Let me play this for you.
Sound of realistic wood creak and thud synchronized with footsteps.
Look at this. You can see this person walking and listen to the audio. The footsteps are synchronized perfectly with the movement, and there is even a voiceover that's been added automatically. This is exactly what I described in my prompt, and it delivered perfectly. The key here is to write detailed and specific prompts. The more descriptive you are about what you want to see and hear, the better results you are going to get, okay? Now, let's check out our second video. This one is of a sports car. Oh wow, look at this. Listen to that engine sound. It sounds so realistic, like an actual sports car reviving and speeding. The audio has that deep, powerful engine roar. This is not some generic stock sound effects. This was generated specifically for this video based on my tone. The synchronization between the visual and the audio is absolutely perfect. And now let's look at our third video. This is the one where I asked for a woman speaking about innovation, right?
Is the key to our future success. Together, we can transform ideas into reality.
Perfect. Look at her speaking directly to the camera. Her lip movements are syncing perfectly with the voice. She is talking about innovation, and you can hear her clear, articulate voice. The hand gestures are subtle and natural, and the whole setting looks professional. This is exactly what I asked for in my prompt. The lip sync technology here is incredibly impressive. These open up so many possibilities for creating talking head videos, advertisements, corporate presentations, educational content, and you name it. Now, let me show you something even more interesting. You can also convert images into videos with audio using Kling 2.6. So, I have this image of a luxury watch that I want to animate. So, I'm going to upload this image here. Once the image is uploaded, I need to write a prompt describing how I want this image to come to life and what kind of audio I want, right? So I'm writing this prompt right here. I'm being very specific about the movement, the lighting, and most importantly, the audio elements I want, okay? All the settings remain the same. Audio toggle is on, model is Kling 2.6, duration is 10 seconds. Now, let me just click generate and let's see what we get. Okay, the video has finished generating. Let me show you the result.
Precision crafted, engineered for excellence. Precision crafted, engineered for excellence.
Look at this. The watch is rotating smoothly. The display is lighting up exactly as I described. And listen to the voiceover. Precision crafted, engineered for excellence. The voice quality is professional and smooth, and you can hear the ambient luxury music in the background along with those subtle mechanical sounds. This looks like a premium commercial advertisement. And remember, I didn't add any of this audio in post-production. Everything was generated automatically. Now, let me talk about something really important. I'm accessing Kling 2.6 audio through Higgsfield, and here is why you should too. Higgsfield is currently offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generations for everyone who subscribes to their Ultimate Plus plan. Let me repeat that. Unlimited generations. You can create as many videos with audio as you want without worrying about credits running out or hitting generation limits. And get this, Higgsfield currently has one of the lowest prices on the market for AI video generations. I will show you a quick comparison. While other platforms charge significantly more and have limited generation quotes, Higgsfield gives you unlimited access at a fraction of the cost. This is honestly the best deal you are going to find right now for accessing Kling 2.6 audio. One important thing I need to mention is that Higgsfield does not have mobile applications. If you see any apps on the App Store or Google Play Store claiming to be Higgsfield, those are not affiliated with them. Always access Higgsfield through their official website, which I have linked in the description below. This is really important for your security and to make sure you are getting the authentic service. So there you have it. Kling 2.6 audio accessed through Higgsfield is absolutely revolutionary. We are no longer in the era of silent AI videos. We now have complete audio-visual generation in one single pass, and it's incredibly powerful. From content creators to filmmakers to advertisers to educators, everyone can benefit from this technology. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos where I explore more amazing AI tools and features. Drop a comment below and let me know what kind of videos you are planning to create with Kling 2.6 audio. I will love to hear your ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating amazing content.